Introducing the TEXI CNC 250 by 120 programmable sewing machine, a top-of-the-line solution for large-scale production, thick materials, and complex seams. The spacious 15-inch LCD touchscreen offers intuitive, quick-access editing and seamless pattern saving, while advanced automatic features maximize efficiency, ensure perfect repeatability, and deliver outstanding seam quality. Automatic liftable sewing head, easy access to the material. Impressive working area, 250 by 120 centimeters, speed up to 3,000 stitches per minute. Internal memory, 2 GB. Featuring a large working area, it is a cutting-edge solution for manufacturers who prioritize precision, consistency, and top-quality seams. With its oversized hook, advanced automation, and user-friendly interface, it boosts production efficiency and minimizes errors in the manufacturing of large upholstery and technical textile components.